So good morning guys, we're actually going to the port because we decided we are going to Bohol. So we're going to have a Bohol trip with my sister guys. So this is what we got. So yeah.
I'm
This is
pregnant guys, so that's why we're...
Bigon, Dragita 3, Vista Shop, at Shop to Bigon, Bohol. Pero ito rin, gusto mo rin ito Bigon, Dragita 3, Vista Shop, at
Gong nung nilingaw. Hi guys! Hello everyone! So we are actually going to Tanasan Adventure Park. Danao Adventure Park everybody because my sister wanna try a bungee jump again. Bungee jump or bungee jump? Either. So we're currently here in Bohol guys and I'm gonna show you what Bohol got and of course I'm gonna show you our adventure here in Bohol. So today our full day of exploring the area of Bohol. So let's go guys. We're just gonna do land tour today. So let's go everybody. So we're here in the Danao Adventure and she's going to pay. We're going to pay for the entrance. So hi guys, we're here in Danao Adventure. So let's go with us. So we're walking everybody going up in there and Kuya is panning us and offering us to hold the camera for us. So let's go!
Asa gitu mo?
Katong sa slide man to.
Unsa ning package ya?
Sa pagkagaro ma'am, dili may mag-offer ang package kaya dili siya okay away.
Ay, kuya ba madili? Video may. Ano ba din?
Picture kanina mga anak mo.
Buti. Sige ya.
Sure.
Wala, ginood. Panabangi.
Igawas imong kamot, ma'am. Igawas.
Ay, gawas. Sorry.
Sa todo dyan si mama kani. Balin. Ulis na tang nakasabdi.
Guys, my BP right now, I think it's 100 over 100.
500 over 500.
500 over 500.
She's so strong. Wala siya nahadlok.
Ano si mama? Hindi siya taas sa ganang niya naman di sa kita. Ito dito ganito naman sa kaan. Pero maoras gani.
Feel ko. I feel the tension in my body. Oh my goodness, guys. So sakit ako.
Wag nang ilok na akong tiil.
Ako kakulawas. Oh my goodness.
Kaya ma'am.
Kaya na. Kakayanin. My goodness, guys, my heart.
Wow.
Here we go, guys. I was about to back out because I don't feel good watching them, but no more turning back.
If you're going to visit here something, scary but fun.
Sige. Aray ko. Mama, taas, taas. Okay. Ayan na.
Laban na.
Pikit lang. Ayan. Tingin ka sa taas. Sige, tulid lang tiin. Ginawa.
I love you, Nan. I love you and my husband too.
Singgit lang, singgit. Singgit lang na. Singgit lang, singgit. 3, 1. Oh, di ba? Kasakay lagi siya. Oh.
Sarap mo siya.
Intense talaga siya. Like,
Kira ma'am. Diba? Itagak balik. Dili na, isa pa.
guys, we're actually going back to Cebu City, guys. Yeah, we're going back. Ay, palimpyo mo dira ah.